With ice fishing coming to a close and still a little bit of time before canoe season here at EL Trippers, got other things going on. Just finishing up making a bunch of maple syrup. It's not a bad day out there today, so it's going to be rib day. I'll show you my method to get the membrane off. I have tried the spoon, little tongs to pinch at it, just picking at it from the ends, paper towel. I think someone even sells a little tool that's supposed to make it easy. I found kind of by accident what I think is the easiest method. Start in the middle, get your finger going underneath, go right across, and pull up. This is clean, tidy, no looking for little ends, and nothing else you need. It's quick and easy. And that's it. I know some people don't take it off. Some people do. Some people score it. Put a bunch of cracks in it. I haven't done any real experiments to see which way I think is better, but I just take it off because many seem to recommend it, and only takes a minute. It is a fairly tough piece of fiber. And that's that. Okay, I follow a pretty simple recipe. Bit of olive oil. Rub that all in. Helps the seasonings stick. Get both sides. We got some people in the family that don't like too spicy, too seasoning, and I don't really like a ton of seasoning myself. I really like the taste of the meat, so salt and pepper on both of them, and just one of them will get some Stubbs pork rub. I don't really have a particular rub that I think I have to use. I've used a few different ones. I've made my own in the past. And it's just to add a little something, but like I said, I really prefer to be able to taste the meat. I know some people really like to layer on the spices. This is just about right for me. Let these babies sit a little bit. Smoker's warming up, and we'll get them cooking. Well, it's time to get these babies on. Smoker's rolling. As you can see, it's April 15th, and Elliott Lake still has lots of snow. Lots of snow on the lake, or ice on the lake still. Snowmobiles are still ripping around on the ice. Ice fishing still going on. It will be a while before I get the canoe in the water, I think, still. But warmer days, and give the obligatory with those, and I'll get these on. Oh yeah, she's rolling smoke pretty good. That's that. These babies are on at 180. I'll probably bump it to 200 shortly. they're gonna go on dry like that. I'll spritz them once in a while maybe, and I'll run them for probably 6 hours until the internal temperature is a little over 200, and just let it roll. I may have to bump it 200, 220, but I'm just gonna let them smoke right now at 180 for a little bit. Well, it's been about 4 hours. Let's see how we're doing. Good. A couple more hours to go at least. Well, that's them. Bon appetit. It's done.